this one is another one of the plate lines. Open up the image itself. So here we have essentially a modified Tetris block. And on my screen I have my three axes shown. So the red is height, which is vertical, green is length or width, which is the left side of the y, and blue is depth, which is going to be the right side of the y. So length is the left side, depth is the right side. And in our orthographic drawing, remember that the front view, which is at one the bottom left corner, that can show the height and the length. The top can show the depth and the length, and the side can show the height and the depth. So let's start off with the front view again, because once again the front view is going to be a good way of showing the overall shape. So if I come in here, let's take a look. We have I had to rearrange things a little bit. So I have my height and I have my length. So height is 1, length is 4, and come back up 1 unit. I'm going to be doing a few more lines at a time now because I do want to make sure that I don't take forever drawing these. So to do this now, I've got my front view. So there's that front edge. Over 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, where I count the intersections. And come back up by 1. And as I'm doing that, a quick reminder that that front edge is also this edge of the side view. Now coming back over to the front view, let's do a little more lines for the length. So we've got length and length. So the one coming from the back is 2 units long. And the one coming from the front is 1 unit long. And I'll see those in the top view. So there's that line and that line. And next I'm going to draw this line. But to do that I have to show where it is by showing those lines that give me the height. And they're visible here and here. And the side view is right here. So to come over to my isometric drawing, I go up 1 unit, same thing over here, and I come over to show the length. And now I've drawn my front view. Red lines show height, green lines show length. Now let's add in our depth. And all throughout the shape, the depth is a consistent 1 unit. And so you can see the depth in the top view and the side view. So this line right here traces down to this point, which traces over to this line. Draw that line in. And now what I'll do is each of these corners is going to get a line. Now not all of the corners the line will be visible. So for instance this corner right here, that line would be hidden, so I'm not going to draw it. Come over by 1, come over by 1. So I'm going from front to back. And now just to finish it off, what I would do is I would come in here and draw the back of the shape, draw the back of the shape, draw the back of the shape. And now to finish off the side view, I'm going to go to height and height. And that is drawing 3.